Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is another day in the beautiful Southern California. I'm in Long Beach, which is, kind of outside LA. I mean, quite far south actually. It's in Orange County. And look at the misty morning over here. It's kind of a bit chilly. I mean, not cold or anything. It's a bit chilly, but very, very misty today. I'm going to be probably just looking for some coffee, get some coffee, and then get my day started. So this is very, very suburbia. So I'm just walking around a little bit, trying to find out where is the best place to get a coffee. There's a liquor store. I just can't see anything. Maybe I will just go to the hotel and they have got some buffet over there. Maybe go over there and have it. But I just don't like, sometimes to get stuff from the hotel breakfast buffet. I like to kind of walk around, get a hang of the neighborhood and see what's available. There is some shops and restaurants over here. It says it's called the Arbor Village. Maybe check it out over there. Maybe there is something interesting. You never know. So that's the plan. This is a pretty quaint little place, but I think it's closed. I'm just trying to see if there's a way to get inside. It says shops and restaurants, but I think everything is shut down. It's early morning. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, so I don't think anything is really open. But I was hoping that there might be a coffee place, a cafe that's open and I can get some coffee. So that's the plan. Let's see. I'm still trying to figure this out. Figure this new place out. So kind of found this strip mall. And I think there is a little cafe. It says Bagel Cafe over there. So maybe I'm in luck. I might find something interesting over there. Yeah, I see people getting in and out of that place. So I think I'm in luck. We get some coffee and then just walk around a little bit and the air is very fresh, and that's what I really like, especially coming from New York City with all the hustle and bustle. This is really nice. Oh, this is a nice place. Absolutely. Beautiful place. I'm going to actually wear my mask just to be careful and be respectful to people. There's my mask on. There's the bagels, coffee, cappuccino. Very nice.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine, thank you.
Can I get started for you, sir?
Yeah, can I get a cappuccino, please? And do you have any raisin bagel?
And then I'm sorry, what was the bagel?
A raisin, cinnamon,
cinnamon
cinnamon raisin. Yes, please. Yes, yeah.
Anything on it?
Just like that.
Just in a bag to go?
Just here in a bag to go. Absolutely. Yep. And some cappuccino, please, if you have.
And you said a medium cappuccino, correct?
Yeah. Awesome. So just got my cappuccino and bagel. It's really nice to sit outside. As I said, it's misty, but the air is very fresh, crisp, a little chilly. Loving it. Very nice cappuccino. This tastes good, especially in this kind of a little chilly weather with that cappuccino and my bagel. I'm all set for the morning. So I have to run a couple of errands, meet a couple of people, but I'll take you guys along and show you whatever I'm doing. So wait for another day of adventure. Hi everyone. So I'm on 2nd Street. This area in Long Beach is where all the cool restaurants are, shopping is, this whole strip. And it looks really nice. It's still a little bit hazy, kind of cold, a little chilly. I won't say cold, but look at the palm trees. It's so beautiful actually. So just walking around and exploring this neighborhood a little bit. Then I'm going to actually go to this place, this Mexican place, for to meet up with a friend for some lunch, and I will show you how the inside looks like. But this is really nice and very, very California, like very SoCal, Southern California. Again, the same thing like LA. Buildings are, you know, there's no skyscrapers or anything. They're like, there's very unique architecture over here, which makes it very different from any other big cities. I mean, this is not really a big city, but you know, Long Beach is a pretty nice area. You know what? Who's the most famous person who came from Long Beach? Snoop Doggy Dogg. So it's his neighborhood, it's his city. So I mean, it's about 11 o'clock, so not that many people are around, but still, you know, everything is sort of opening up. Very nice, cool stores here. And I'm just walking around. Maybe I'll just get a coffee. I'm going to try to see if there's some cool coffee shops over here. And oh, there's a kind of a Ace Hardware, and then there's some nice stores over there. Of course, this AT&T. This looks like a place where I can, yeah, it's like breakfast, lunch, dinner, but not really a cafe. So I'll just walk around a little bit more and see what other places I can explore over here before I head to the Mexican place for lunch. It's just nice to walk around. So nice to walk around. This is a juice bar. You know what? They might have a cappuccino. Yeah, they do. Hi. Can I get a cappuccino, please?
Cappuccino?
Yes, please.
We only have coconut milk, so it's not going to be super foamy.
That's fine. Yep. Is the beach on that side? Like.
The beach is, yeah, just a little bit further down.
Like how much of a walk?
Maybe 2 blocks or so.
Okay.
Yeah, not too far. It's going to be $4.
Sure. Okay.
Thank you. I'll ask you a couple questions here. And it's
Sure.
going to take me a few minutes to get that for you.
No worries. Thank you. Pretty quaint little place. They have smoothies, juices, and then croissants, nice bakery stuff, and they have some great merch too. Love these t-shirts over here. This is what's great about these beach towns in California, where they have got all these great little shops. Love it. I really love this whole area. It's fantastic. So walking down to the beach area, I love these houses over here. So cool. Look at these, such beautiful architecture. Very quaint, very California, very beach kind of look and feel to this whole neighborhood. So walking Now this area is very, very residential, but should be on the beach very soon. We can just show you guys how the beach looks like. You know, California is all about surfing, beach, especially SoCal, Southern California is all about that. So it's going to be, you know, it's an interesting place to kind of look at and see how the vibe is. So let's go. Look at this quaint houses. Very quaint house. Really, really beautiful. Everybody's kind of looking at me that why is this guy filming and talking to himself? I think they're more thinking, why is this guy just talking to himself? Little do they know that I'm talking to all of you and showing their neighborhood. That always happens to me. They all think that, you know, you'll come across people and they will be just looking at you kind of strange, and they're like, hey, what is this guy up to? Why is he just, you know, nowadays it's okay that if you see people talking to themselves because they're on their phones with their, you know, ear pods up, but still, you know, they find it weird that I've got the camera in front of me and just talking to myself, especially with the GoPro in front. They don't know this is, I mean, not everybody, a lot of people don't understand there's actually a camera. So you know, always I get that kind of weird look. But look at this. I just need to show you how beautiful this neighborhood is. It's just nice to walk. I mean, you know, while in LA, people don't walk. People go drive their cars around. As I said before, it's not like New York City. But in these kind of little towns, people actually walk. You can see there's a very neighborhoody feeling to this place. I didn't know Long Beach is this beautiful. Absolutely had no clue. Glad I came over here. So this is the beach area. People are playing beach volleyball. It's just beautiful. It's a little bit hazy, as I said before, so not the best visibility over here, but it's very nice. Like people with dogs. Look at the beautiful dog running around. It's just gorgeous. This is what you won't get in New York City, for certain, unless you go out. But in the city, you aren't gonna get this. And this is why you need a break, and you need to come to these kind of places and kind of clean up your head a little bit, get out of the whole monotonous way of life every day, the city life, the city vibe. That's good, but you know, you need a change, you need a break. So this is how it is. It's beautiful. So now going to be heading back to that cool strip, and let's go and get some lunch, and I will show you how inside is. But before we go to lunch, I want to show you how this whole avenue looks like with the palm trees. It's just so California, so cool, so different, and so unique. This is very, very California uniqueness. So this is the avenue I was talking about. Onto the beach. And look at this view. This is $1 billion view, not $1 million, but $1 billion view. This is so beautiful. From both sides. It's really fabulous. Anyways, off to lunch. All right, this is called Panama Joe's. This is the Mexican lunch place, a restaurant where I'm gonna meet up with my friend. Hi, good, thanks. Sorry? Yes, I'm gonna, oh, my friends are over there, yeah. Thank you, take care. So what a beautiful bar. Let's check it out.